Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax Venice. Let me introduce to you Austin Whaler 27 Dauntless. In the Dauntless series, the 27 has been very, very popular. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through the boat, point out some of the options on the boat, some of the neat features. I personally own a 24 Dauntless myself, and the 27 will definitely be my next boat. So this particular one, let's go through some options real quick. We have our hardtop right here. Zero maintenance. They do all the powder coating now, so you don't have any of the pitting and things you would have with a traditional aluminum T-top fixture, if you will. This one does have the white rub rail, so it's a nice clean look. We also have the big 350 Verado back here. These are, of course, digital throttle and shift. This is the optional white motor, which is actually much easier to maintain than your black motor, which I have on my boat. So let's jump on in. We'll go through a couple things. We do have a built-in battery charger here, raw water wash down here. So the boat's designed to be a nice family boat, very comfortable, but also gives you a lot of fishing amenities. Rod holders in the back. We've got your seat right here, very comfortable. And then you've got storage underneath here. Freshwater shower, huge recirculating bait well in blue, because evidently the fish like blue. And you've got room underneath here for your Yeti cooler. Spot here, fresh water if you need to clean your hands or something when you're fishing. Very comfortable Helm bench seat right here. We've got a built-in toe step, footrest right here, nice comfortable tilt steering. Do have our trim tabs, digital throttle and shift here. These are going to be our smart gauges. They'll give you your diagnostics, batteries, water pressure, fuel burn, range, things like that. Great fusion sound system. This also is Bluetooth capable. You can do a couple screens here if you like, GPS, chart plotter, bottom machine, and or radar. Plenty of room to do that. Life jacket storage right here. And as we walk around, a lot of the people really like the headroom inside here. So that's going to be your porta potty with dockside discharge, overboard discharge. That's going to be your cockpit table there. And your battery switch is conveniently located right here. So you don't have to go searching around for that. So let's talk about comfort. Lots and lots of seating. These guys pop up right here. So usually when I run my boat, I've got the same thing. The gals hang out up here, the guys hang out back there, and we have a great time. Plenty of room here, you know, if you want to put a troll motor or something like that. This particular one is equipped with your windlass. And there's all the road down there, your chain and your rod. You can operate that from the remote here as well as the dash. This is one of my favorite features on the boat. What I like is the storage. Rod storage everywhere, very deep. And you even get two little whaler buckets that come with it. And that's going to be your canvas. It's going to cover this as well as the helm. JL audio, we mentioned that. Nice deep sides to the boat. That's where we fill our fresh water right there. So the boat's been super popular. I kind of nickname it in the Dauntless series a little sport utility. To recap, brand new Boston Whaler 27 Vantage, 27 Dauntless, 350 Verado back there, wonderful boat. And again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like to come take a look, you're cordially invited. The office number at MarineMax Venice, 941-485-3388. Thank you for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.